Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is their Unice Copper Brown 13x4 Lace Front Body Wave Wig. In the description box it says Unice presents Unice presents you the copper brown wig, the autumn must-have wig color, and rich burnished brunette color wig. Okay, I'm looking for the details and specs. Hold on. So on the site it says 100% human hair. It's a 13x4 lace front. The length, it just says long wig or medium length, and it can be dyed. It is an average cap size. It says Swiss lace and brown medium color, but they have transparent lace on my bag. I would say that to me it seems to be more medium brown. Maybe it's tinted transparent lace. I don't know, but it is on the darker side for me. Okay, so the lengths that are available is 16 to 22 inches, all even numbers. But if you get it in 24 inches, you get a free silk pink robe. And if you get it in 26 inches, you get a silk robe. So the density is 150% density. So those are all the details and specs that they sent me. Okay, so with this unit, I did not bleach the knots. I did not tweeze it. I didn't do anything but put old girl on my head. And honestly, I didn't bleach the knots because there was no need to. It looks like how if you get a 613, how you don't have to really bleach those. It kind of had that sort of look underneath. So I didn't bleach the unit whatsoever, and I didn't tweeze it. So old girl literally woke up like this, okay? As far as shedding and tangling, I have not received any stragged packages. Not to say old girl won't do any other things at some point. Just say that right now, old girl is doing none of the things. In my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, and I did have to use the elastic band as well and adjust that. So in my opinion, it is big head friendly, but I only got the head that's on my shoulder. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Okay, do with that what you want to do with. And yeah, that is basically all the details and specs that I have about this unit. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright, so we're going to start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. The con with this unit is the fact that it's a 13x4 and that the lace is a little dark in my opinion. So if you're my complexion or lighter, it may be a little too dark for you. It's workable. It's still workable, but it just feels like it's a little too brown in my opinion. And you guys know how I feel about 13x4s. Okay, so I had to do a C part, as you guys can see. And even the model on the site, she did a C. They have a C part in their head as well. So those are gonna be my cons. Now my pros is gonna be this texture, this color, okay? And the fact that I didn't have to tweeze or bleach the knots. Those are all of my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit. I feel like this color is everything. Like, I know it basically says it's an autumn color. I feel like I can wear this color year round. It does look better, perfect for autumn. But I feel like with this color, I could literally wear it year round. And it's a subtle sort of auburn. I did a shorter auburn, but this one is longer. And this one to me is a little lighter than the other one that I had. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4", and if I'm not mistaken, this unit is 24 inches, but check the description box just in case. And this is it on the right side. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it, if it's a look, if it's a vibe to you. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing you no money. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthyMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style and we